Is your TCL TV refusing to connect to the internet while all your other devices are working just fine? Don't worry, because we are going to fix that annoying Wi-Fi glitch right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This usually happens because of a date sync error, a crowded network channel, or a simple hang in the TV's wireless hardware module. Let's get you back to streaming your favorite shows with 10 advanced solutions. Step 1. The 60-second power cycle. Unplug your TCL TV from the wall and wait for 1 full minute. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 seconds to drain the static charge. Step 2. Update the network time. If your TV's internal clock is wrong, it will reject the Wi-Fi security certificates. Go to your system settings and ensure automatic date and time is turned on. Step 3. Switch to the Google DNS. Manually change your network settings to use DNS 8.8.8.8 as your primary and 8.8.4.4 as your secondary server. This often fixes the connected but no internet error. Step 4. Toggle the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. If your router has both, try switching to the 2.4 GHz band. It has a longer range and is often more stable through the walls behind your TV. Step 5. Clear the network cache. If you are on a TCL Google TV, go to Apps and find the Network Stack System app. Clear its cache and data to reset the wireless drivers. Step 6. Disable the Fast Start or Quick Start mode. This mode keeps the TV in a low power state that can sometimes freeze the Wi-Fi card. Turning it off forces the TV to rescan for signals every time you turn it on. Step 7. Forget and reconnect the network. Go to your Wi-Fi list and select Forget Network. Restart your router, then re-enter your password to establish a fresh handshake. Step 8. Check for HDMI interference. Unshielded HDMI 2.1 cables can actually leak radio frequency noise that kills Wi-Fi signals. Try unplugging your HDMI devices to see if the Wi-Fi bars immediately go up. Step 9. Reset the network settings. Look for the Reset Network Settings option in the connection menu. This will wipe out all saved passwords, but will also clear any hidden software conflicts in the wireless card. Step 10. Use a USB to Ethernet adapter. If your internal Wi-Fi hardware is failing, you can plug a compatible USB Ethernet adapter into the TV's port for a lightning-fast wired connection. Here's a pro tip for you. If your Wi-Fi signal is still weak, try moving your router just a few inches higher. TVs are massive pieces of metal and glass that act as a shield, blocking the signal if the router is placed too low. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert tech fixes. You are just one click away from being back online.